Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking your audio experience to the next level with the AudioFx Moto G8 Power Magisk module. This module brings the powerful Equalizer from the Moto G8 Power to your rooted device, offering incredible sound customization options. There are a few things to keep in mind before we dive in. First, your device needs to be rooted and have Magisk installed. If you haven't done that yet, there are plenty of resources online to guide you through the process. Second, if you're using a Motorola ROM, you can skip the Moto Core Magisk module installation step. Otherwise, head over to the video description for the link and install it first. Alright, let's get started. Open the Magisk app on your device. Navigate to the Modules section. Tap the Install from Storage button at the top middle of the screen. Locate and select the downloaded AudioFx Moto G8 Power Magisk module file. Once the flashing is complete, reboot your device. After your device reboots, you're ready to explore the magic of AudioFx. This module packs 6 unique sound profiles: extreme bass, bass punch, balanced, brilliant treble, vocalizer, and flat. Each profile caters to a specific listening preference, letting you tailor your audio experience to your favorite genres or activities. With the AudioFx Moto G8 Power Magisk module, you're no longer limited to your device's default sound settings. Take control of your audio experience, experiment with the profiles, and discover the sound that truly resonates with you. Thanks for joining me on this audio journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below which sound profile you're most excited to try.